CapCut is using your hard disk space, thereby causing your disk to have very low space. Take a look at what I have here, 168 gig free out of this. And CapCut is stealing my disk. In this video, I will guide you on how to free up space on your device using CapCut. First, what is CapCut? CapCut is an editing software on our device that we use to edit, and it accumulates so many space on our device without we knowing. So this video, I walk through the processes on how to free up this space on your device with the help of CapCut. So first, open CapCut on your device. Now take a look at what you have here. We have all the saved video here. So let's click all these and delete them. Now I still have some of this here. Click on this trash bin. Now you can see about 61. Then click on this button to empty everything here. Let's remove this one as well. Empty the trash. We have to empty everything here. Now we've emptied this place. Don't forget, it's still on our device. Now here is what you need to do. Now come out to this place, search for CapCut, type in CapCut. We have it here. Right click, open file location. Here you have it on our file location. Then right click again, open file location. Now you have it here. Now take a look at what you have here. We have previous version of CapCut that is here. So let's see what they accumulated here. Here 8 item is selected. So right click and view the properties of these 8 items that is on our device, sitting down there doing nothing. 11.9 gigs. So what you need to do is to delete this from our device. Click on this delete button. Wait for this to be deleted on your device. That is first thing you have to do, so that you take away CapCut's previous installed CapCut files or programs on your device, thereby free up some space on your device. Now that you've been able to delete that, then come to the PC here, click on it to open your PC. Then come to this disk, double click on it. Then go to user, click on it. Go to your name, click on it. Now go to app data, click on it. In case app data is not shown on your device, come to this view button, come to this on, make sure that this hidden button is enabled. You can see that the app data is not here. So view, show hidden item, then click on this app data, then click on local. Now from here, click on CapCut, then click on user data. Now from here, click on caches, locate and click on caches. Now from here, scroll down until you get to smart crop. This button, click on it. Now here are the videos that have been or project I've been doing on my CapCut, and this accumulates more space on my device. So let's see what is here done, or about 3.7 gigs is what is here. So what I have to do is to delete this. Click on it and wipe it away. Now that I've wiped it away, everything is still on your recycle bin. Then right click and empty this recycle bin. Click on yes. So let's wait for it to clean up our recycle bin. You see, we have 11 plus 3. Everything here is taken away from our recycle bin. So once we clean all this recycle bin, I'm very sure that we've been able to use CapCut to free up some space on our hard disk or SSD disk on your device, thereby reducing the space accumulated on your device and make more space for your device, and your device will start performing very well. Just wait for this to complete and check the difference between what we have been doing and the results before we started this process together. So let's go back and click on this computer again and see. You see, we have about 198 free space compared to the previous one. So that's all, guys, on how to use your CapCut to free up space on your laptop. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.